Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log Google Chrome with password. Let's begin. So once you open up your Google Chrome web browser, you are going to select Chrome Web Store at the bottom of the search bar. And then in the search bar here, where it says search extensions and themes, you are going to type in Chrome lock and you're going to hit enter. And we're going to use this one where it says set password for your web browser, Chrome lock. And then you're going to go to the right side here and then select add to Chrome. Once you're done, it's going to say add set password for your browser and you're going to select add extension. Once it is done, it's going to ask you to enter your own password. Then you're going to hit OK. So after that, it's going to close the web browser and all you need to simply do is you need to open it again. So once you've opened your web browser, it's going to ask you to enter your password so that you can use it again. So once you've entered your password, you will be able to use your Google Chrome web browser normally. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.